So, hi, Tim. Good morning, everyone. City. Yesterday, we completed some subqueries topics. We completed the subqueries single row, multi-row, multi-column. These are yesterday's session. We completed it. Now, yesterday we started a multi-row subquery, multi-column subquery. We started. Multi-column subquery means the subquery returns more than one column. That is multi-column subqueries. In multi-column subqueries, subquery outputs are compared with pairwise. Because subquery runs two columns, in order to give vary condition also two columns. Both pairs should be checked. That is. Okay. Right. Now, one more example. Write a query to display. Write a query to display department-wise superiors. Department superiors I want to display. Department-wise superiors means bosses. But what is the meaning of department-wise superiors means employee and his boss. Both are working in same department. I want to display. You are the employee, you are working in department number 10. Your boss house is working in same department. Yes, you are a means I want to display corresponding to the department boss. We want to display. We know yesterday's session we discussed already how to display the superiors we discussed yesterday in multi-row subqueries. Means how to find the superior names as select ename as superior from MP where M. So MZ from M means it displays bosses because your employee number is available in MGR, then you are a boss. But your employee working department number corresponding boss department is matched, then I want to display. Means employees working in employee department number, boss department number, both are should be same. This is actually 99% boss and employee both are working same departments, guys. Okay, no? Maybe sometimes it is possible. The employee is working in one department, manager is in another department. Maybe sometimes it is possible. This is the example, guys. Okay. Next one. Fourth type of second type of subqueries are correlated subqueries. Correlated subqueries. Next. Correlated subqueries. See, in above subqueries, single row, multi-column. In above subqueries, first which one is executed? First subquery is executed. Based on this output, outer query executed. Right or wrong? But right now here, quite opposite. In these queries, first outer query is executed. Depends upon output of outer query. Then inner query will be executed. In these queries, first outer query is executed, guys. First priority goes to outer query. Based on the output of outer query, inner query will be executed. This is the quite opposite of execution. Okay, guys. Next one. If outer query executes n times, then subquery also executed n times. If outer query executes n times, then subquery also executed n times. That is. This is the execution. N times. How it is, I will show the practical one example. Third point. One of the outer query column is placed in subquery where condition. That outer query column is called as correlated column. One of the outer query column is placed in subquery where condition. In outer query, I selected some columns. Out of the columns, I selected one column. That column I placed in subquery where condition. That column, what you call? Correlated column. Means in between outer query inner query, we have correlation. In above examples, is there a correlation is there in between two queries? See guys, this is the outer query. This is the inner query. In between two queries, no, is there any correlation is there? No correlation because subquery executed. Subquery executed. Completed. Based on this output, outer query is executed completed. But in between two queries, there is no correlation. Right. See the correlated subqueries are classified into two types. One is correlated subquery. Second one is scalar subquery. Okay. Okay. This is how many types of correlated subqueries? Two types. One is correlated, second one is scalar. Now first we are discussing correlated subquery. In this correlated subqueries, first outer query is executed. Based on the output of outer query, inner query executed. Okay, right. See the syntax first of all. Column 1, column 2, column 3, and so on. From table name. Where column 1 is equal to select column 5 from table name where column 4 or column 6 equal to column 3. Guys, in this syntax, this is a syntax, not an example, guys. This is a syntax. Okay. Now, in this query, this is the outer query, guys. This one is the subquery. In outer query here, I selected column 1, column 2, column 3. I selected 3 columns. Suppose this one of the outer query column 3 is outer query column. One of the outer query column, we are placed in subquery where condition. Okay, guys. This column I placed in subquery where condition. Column 3 belongs to outer query, na? Column 3 belongs to outer query. Then I placed in where condition. This is called as correlated column. Based on this column value, your entire query is executed. That's the first point what we discuss. In this query, first outer query is executed. First outer query is executed. Depends upon output of outer query, inner query is executed. That's why first outer query is executed. Column 3 return something value, na? That value here we are placed. Based on this value, inner query is executed. Okay, guys. This is a correlated column, sir. This is a correlated column. Number syntax in subquery column 3 is a correlated column. Okay. How this query is executed, guys? Any examples? Any example? Write a query to display. Write a query to display who are getting more than their department-wise average. Write a query to display who are getting more than their department average service. What is the meaning of this query? First of all, you can understand the query first. Suppose you are working in department number 10. In your department, 5 employees are working. You are also one of the employee in your 10th department. You are getting 20,000 salary. Your department average salary is 15,000. Your department average salary means total number of salaries by number of employees. Total sum of salary by number of employees. Your department average salary is 15,000, but you are getting 20,000. Are you getting more than your department average salary? Are you getting more than your department average salary? Yes, I am getting, because my department average salary is 15,000, but my salary is 20,000. Yes, I am getting. Means my salary is comparing with my department average salary only, not other department's average salary. Okay. How to write this query? So, SSS. Yes, Eliza, that is. Here I take one table, employee table. Employee number, employee name, salary, department. 1001, finger, 5,010. 1002, start, 4,020. 1003, Allen, 3,000, depart number 10. 1004, James, 4,000, depart number 30. 1005, Smith, 2,000, depart number 30. 1005, 4, 6,000, depart number 20. These are the employees' details. The employees' number, employee name, salary, and they are working in different departments. Okay. Now, yes, obviously that column data types also should be same. That is mandatory. In where condition, if you want to compare, in where condition, what you are comparing the columns, no, obviously column can be same data type. Otherwise, not possible to compare. Okay. Number is comparing number value only. Okay. Character is comparing character value only. That is common. Now, In this table, some employees are getting more than their department average salaries. Who are getting? Tenth department average salary how much? $5,000, $3,000, $8,000, $4,000. 20 department average salary, 4,000, 6,000, 10,000, 5,000. That department average salary, 3,000. Okay, guys. Now, yes, exactly salary that is. Now, see here. First employee salary how much? 5,000. 5,000 is employee salary. 5,000 salary is comparing with 10. He's working in 10th department, huh? King is working in 10th department. His salary is 5,000. This 5,000 is comparing with the 10th department average salary. How much? 4,000. Means 5,000 is greater than 4,000. Huh? Yes. First record we want to display. Next, second record, sir. He is working in department 20. 4,000. 4,000 is comparing with the 20 department average salary. How much? 5,000. So, 4,000 is greater than 5,000. False. Again, 3,000 is compared with 4,000. False. False. Right or not? Yes. This is also false. This is also false. This is the true. Okay? Because 30 department salary, 4,000 is comparing with the yes, it is true. 4,000 is greater than 3,000. Yes, true. What about this now? 2,000. 2,000 is greater than 3,000. False. 6,000 greater than 5,000. Yes. Yes. This is the false. This is the false. Only where this one is true. This one is true. Only these records are displays. Ford displays, James displays, King displays. Remaining employees are not getting more than their department average salaries. Okay? How to write this query? How to get this output? See, guys. This is the query, guys. Now, how this query is executing first? First, from EMP. What is the meaning of E? E is the table alias. E is the table alias. Temporary. In this query, I take a table name as E. Temporary name I am taking. Now, in this employee table, what are the columns you have? If you want to select those columns, you can select by using E dot E dot E dot. E dot employee number, E dot E name, E dot salary, E dot DEP10O. Pick and call. Okay, right. Now select average salary from EMP where department number equal to DPT and O. Now from this total query, first you try to find out which column is correlated column in this total query. Which is the correlated column? Anyone can guess? I discussed already definition of correlated column. One of the outer query column is placed in subquery where condition. Which are the outer query columns? These are the outer query columns. E dot employee number, E dot E name, E dot salary, E dot D. One of the outer query column I placed in subquery where condition or not. Yes, this is called as correlated column. Actually, this column belongs to outer query, but outer query column here I placed. That is, guys. Okay. Okay. Now how this query is executed. Now either DEP10 is the correlated column here. So in this correlated subquery, the first priority goes to outer query. First outer query is executed. From employee table, first record is fetching. What the first record? This is the first record. Employee number, employee name, salary, department number. First record is fetching. You can substitute the values first. So E dot salary how much? 5,000. Here 5,000 is greater than. Okay. What the E dot DEP10 at present? At present it is 10. Right or wrong? First you can substitute the values first. Okay. E dot salary 5,000. E dot DEP10 10. Now execute this query where salary 5,000 is greater than select average salary from EMP where department number equal to 10. Select average salary from EMP where department number equal to 10. 10th department average salary it returns. 10th department average salary it returns. How much? How much 10th department average salary? 4,000. Now your average salary returns right now how much? 4,000. So 5,000 is greater than 4,000. 5,000 is greater than 4,000. Yes. Your where condition is true. Then first record displays. Means what the 4,000 salary? Average salary. Which department average salary? 10th department average salary. What the 5,000 salary? 10th department salary. So 10th department salary is comparing with the same department average salary. Understand? Huh? Yes, first record displays. Same like again pick up the second record. Second record it picks, guys. This is the second record. Right. Now here 4,000. Okay. Right, how much? Department number 20 here. So select average salary from MPB department 20, sir. What is the 20 department average salary? 5,000. How much? 5,000. So 4,000 is greater than 5,000. 4,000 is greater than 5,000. Yes. Yes. Condition true? False. Second record not displays. 4,000 is greater than 5,000. False. 4,000 is 20 department salary. 5,000 is 20 department average salary. It is. This is the example. Okay. Now again, third record is fetching. Again checking. Fourth record is fetching. Fifth record, sixth record. Okay. Right, guys. But thing is, the output is first record displays. Next one, fourth record displays. Next one, fifth record, 1006. Sixth record displays. Okay. This is the output, guys. So I asked one question. Tell me, how many times autocue is executed? How many times autocue is executed? One time, 3 times, 6 times. How many times autocue is executed? Three times. 3 times, How many times autocue is executing? Anybody? I got only one answer only. C. 6 times. 6 times. Because each and every record is fetching, right or wrong? The condition is true or false. That is secondary thing. But it is checking each and every record, guys. Autocue executes how many times? 6 times. Subquery also execute how many times? 6 times. Because when the autocue is executed, parallelly subquery also executing. Right or wrong? Yes. So that is second point. If autoquery executes n times, then subquery also executed that number of times. This is the correlated. See, but sir, where you can write this type of query, sir, on these situations means generally we are comparing the data with the same tables, columns. We are comparing data with the same table columns if you want to compare the data. Okay. Here I am not using any other table now. From subqueries, main query, both tables right now we are using. Yes. Actually, without alias also your query is executing, guys. But for understanding purpose, how to identify correlated column? This is for identification purpose only. I taken as 5000 here. Sorry, alias. Otherwise, it is not required. Otherwise, it is not. Right. Now, understand, guys? Any doubts in this query? The second one, here the same query we can implement in our employee table also. But in our employee table, we got different output. Different output means based on the data only it displays, na? This is output. So, sir, I want to check it out. Is it valid and invalid output? How to check? Is it valid or invalid output? Simply you write down one query. Select depart number, comma, average salary from EMP group by department. This is example, guys. So 30 department average salary 700. Means less than 700. Yes, true. Displays. This record also displays. Right or not? Okay. Next, one more query, guys. Write a query to display who are getting write a query to display who are getting less than their jobs maximum salaries. Write a query to display who are getting less than their jobs maximum salaries. See, same logic. E, where E dot salary is less than, where salary less than, where E dot salary less than, select max of salary from EMP where job equal to E dot job. Who are getting less than their jobs maximum salaries. These are. Okay. Their jobs means job equal to E dot job. Now, one more example, write a query to display working employees department names. Read this query carefully. To display working employees department names. These are the employees. These are the departments. These are employees, these are departments. Now, I want display department names, guys. I want display department details, but working employee department details for me. Which department employees are working? 10, 20, 30 employees are working. 40 no employees are working. Right or wrong? Yes. How to display? How to display? See. Select star from DEPT where exists star. Or else you can select some D dot DEPT. Another purpose only. D dot location. Or else if you want, okay, D dot DEPT. D dot location. From DEPT where exists star. select one from EMP. Where depart number equal to D dot D. This is a query, sir. Why you're using one means it is also one of the performance technique. Okay. I want to check whether record is found or not. If you want to check record is found or not, at the no need to select column values, na. Simply one is enough. Now, how this query is executing? From department table, first record is fetching, guys. Same like previously what we discussed. 10 accounting New York. 10 accounting New York. D the DEP 10 right how much? 10. Where exist of 10 here placed. Here 10 is placed. Select one from EMP where department number equal to 10. From employee type department 10 is available. Yes. Your 1 returns. Select statement returns 1. Oh, yes, exactly. I forgot push page. I write down. Okay. Now, suppose here second record is fetching 20, sir. 20 research Dallas. 20 here I am checking. Is it 20 is available? Employee table? Yes. 1. 30 also. What about the 40? 40 operations Boston. Is the 40 is available here? No 40. No row selected, guys. No row selected. Because 40, in 40, no employees are there. We know yesterday session we discussed. Subquery executed, no row selected. Then exit returns false. When the where condition is false, that record not displays. Here, guys, we got one error. We forget alias D is forget. That is the problem. Okay. Good observation, guys. This is only working employee departments only. If you want to display data with order by, yes, you can write order by D dot DEP NO, you write down. This is the example. Now, next one is write a query to display. In which departments? In which departments no employees are working? Where I got not exist. Quality department, no employees are working. Department number 40, no employees are working. This is the example, guys. Right, guys. These are examples of correlated subqueries. Okay. Next one is second type of correlated subqueries, scalar subqueries. Scalar subqueries. Subqueries are placed in. Subqueries are placed in. Subqueries are placed in column list of outer query. Is called as scalar subqueries. Subqueries are placed in column list of outer query is called as scalar subquery. Subqueries are placed in column list of outer query is called as scalar subquery, we can call it. In scalar subqueries, subquery should be written. In scalar subquery should be written. Single column at a time. In scalar subquery should be written single column or value at a time. Not more than one column, not more than one value. See the syntax. Select column 1, column 2. Okay, and so on. Subquery we write down here. Column 4 or something. From table name, that is okay, guys. So subqueries where you can place? Subqueries we can place it in from class. This is right, guys. This is the example, guys. Okay. See one example. Syntax only. Write a query to display employee details with all employee salaries. Write a query to display employee details with all employee sum of salaries. To display employee details with all employee sum of salaries. So employee details means select employee number, employee name, job, salary, leave, comma. Select sum of salary from EMP. Total this query, I take on alias name as total salary from EMP. Enough. From employee table, first record is fetching Smith 7369 Smith clerk something salary department number something. Along this record also. Observe this. Okay, guys. To display employee details with all employee sum of salaries. The employee data I want to display along with the employee data, all employee sum of salaries. How much total sum of salary? 30,400 rupees. Okay. Right. Write a query to display employee details and corresponding employees department by sum of salaries. I want to display employee details, corresponding employees department wise sum of salaries. How to display this query? Select E dot employee number, E dot E name, E dot job, E dot salary, E dot debit and O from EMP E. Now, along with select sum of salary from EMP where DEP10 equal to E dot DEP10 as department sum salary. Above query extension. Here I taken as alias. E dot number 7369, E dot name is Smith, job clerk, salary 900, E dot DEP10 right now much 20. Parallel your query is executing. Select sum of salary from EMP with department equal to 20. Currently how much? First got 20 na? 20 department sum of salary displays. Smith is working department 20 along with the 20 department sum of salary displays. Second record is switching. 7499, Allen, salesman, 1700, department number is 30 here. Department number 30 here placed. The subject runs 30 department, sum of salary returns. How much? That one. Same like only we can expect. Here. 20 department sum of salaries. Okay, this is the one of the way. Yes, some of queries we discuss coming session, and also guys, yesterday I given some queries to all using single row sub queries. So anybody is completed or not, try to check today also. I can explain next session. Yesterday what I given sub queries, single row sub queries. I given some exercises right here. These are. Try to complete your side. Okay. Today also. If you're not getting, tomorrow I can explain all. Okay. Fine. So any doubts, guys? So any doubts? No, no. Okay. We'll continue next session. Okay. Bye.
Recording stopped.
Okay, alias. What is meaning of alias, guys? Alias is a temporary name. Alias is a temporary name, Lakshmi. Okay. So in this query, where it is so alias is a temporary name. Why are you using this alias means, so suppose if you are not using alias, here what we place? DEP10O. Right or wrong? If you are not using this temporary alias name, we are using DEP10O. But here confusing, sir. This is belongs to subquery department number, outer query department number. This is belongs to subquery depart number, outer query depart number. Here we are confused. Once you differentiate with the alias name, yes, this is the outer query column. This is subquery column. For differentiate purpose, for understanding purpose, we are declaring alias. Okay. These alias are also very useful in joins also. In joins we'll discuss what is the importance of alias there. But here the alias importance is to understand very easily and we can differentiate the column names. Okay. Right.